whether they haven't heard of SBIR's TTR before or they're ready for those one-on-ones with the federal agencies. So everything that we have planned is subject to change because it is a few months out still, but we are planning for July 16th in downtown Indianapolis, Indiana. The location will be confirmed next week, and we will start putting out some registration information starting probably late February, early March to get everyone signed up and share logistic information. So for our event on July 16th here in Indianapolis, there will be 2 tracks. We will start at 8 a.m. with a light breakfast, but we will have 2 tracks running simultaneously in the morning. First, there will be some one-on-one meetings with the agencies. Those will be 15 minutes for you to discuss your project with the agencies. It should be a discussion and not a pitch. You should have that quad chart ready, and we have some resources here to help you prepare for your one-on-one meeting. Simultaneously, we will be running some core content on the main stage, and that will include reverse pitches from the SBIR's TTR agencies. We will also have some basics of SBIR 101 and then a panel on getting the support and help you need. We will then break for lunch, and we will have a simultaneous track running in the afternoon as well. In the afternoon, there will be a resource fair, so you can meet some Indiana resources partners that are available to assist you as you either are starting your introduction to SBIR's TTR or you're going for that phase 2. We'll have resources spanning the state and industry available to meet with you. We will also have an afternoon program where you'll be able to hear from past awardees, get their insights and their tips and tricks. We'll also share some more information on Indiana innovation resources, and we'll have a panel on how to finance your tech commercialization project to get from research to the market. It's early out, I know that, so we don't have too much to share as right now, but I will ask you to stay connected with the IEDC, but also check out the Inform series to stay up to date on all things SBIR's TTR in Indiana. The IEDC partners with some great people over at the Applied Research Institute to run a few different programs on our behalf to help individuals that are interested in exploring SBIR's TTR. If you go to this website here, and I'm sure we'll share the details after the event, but you can stay up to date with upcoming events, trainings, and workshops that are being held. You can find out some more information about Indiana's matching grants for SBIR's TTR awardees, and you'll find a resource library there to help go through all of the process of SBIR's TTR when some of those trainings aren't scheduled